In this digital era, the most important thing is how best an individual or an organization can position itself regarding the value it can offer to the world. With innumerable varieties of businesses offering every kind of services and products, what is it that can bring maximum attention to your organization? What makes customers and clients queue up for the services and products in your esteemed institution? How best have you managed to convey your salient features with the competition getting tougher and tougher with the ticking time? Silver Feather has a unique solution for you. With its vast experience in visual media, it vouches to offer you a publicity strategy that has immense potential to go viral. The clients and customers will do all talking in favor of institution, albeit in melody and some visual extravaganza. This is where the unique concept of Namma Anthem pitches in. It will be a great pride to have Namma Anthem with the changing time. It will be a lanchana of your organization. The rich visual presentation of the lyrical expression is the institution's unique selling point and will be made to go viral. Visual treat quickly registers in the mind of viewers. If your organization is well-established one, then it's a pride to have Anthem. Let the whole world know about your organization. So, let's join hands to create a masterpiece of your institution. We are more willing to be at your service. You can reach us via phone on 86608 46766 or email us at info@silverfeather.biz.